Wells Fargo Autograph Journey Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it. You won't believe how much this card can help build credit while earning rewards. Most people get credit builder cards wrong by thinking they only help scores, but the Wells Fargo Autograph Journey Card provides both. The card offers 1.5% cashback on all purchases, and users can receive a 1.5% bonus for on-time payments. It reports to all three major bureaus, helping you establish or improve your credit history. Digital tools let you track spending, set alerts, and pay bills with ease. There's no annual fee, and additional protections like purchase protection and fraud alerts are included. For people new to credit or rebuilding, this card offers a simple and rewarding way to manage credit responsibly. The downside? Cashback is modest compared to higher-tier cards, and carrying a balance incurs interest that can erase benefits. Verdict: worth it for credit building and consistent rewards. Leave it if you're seeking high-category bonuses or luxury travel perks.